Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and we got a quick Memorial Day video for you guys. Hopefully everybody's outside on the water, hanging out, doing whatever you guys want to do on Memorial Day. I'll probably be working. I wanted to show you guys our new logo. This is the shirts we were talking about. This is the new logo designed by Kirsten. Kirsten put a picture of Kirsten over here. She came with the new logo. It's the logo refresh. It's been the same style logo since, I don't know, 2007, 2008. And this is a little LED background with the blue D. This is our new high vis merch for the techs. So this is for all new construction. This is the back of our shirts here. Really bright. This is a really bright high vis shirt. And now we got the QR code on the shirt that takes you to the YouTube channel. So pretty soon all the guys are gonna have this new uniform. I got to do a whole bunch of other stuff, rebranding too. Now that I got the uniforms, we got to redo the website so I can update the website to the new logo. I'm gonna strip the decals off the Vans, put the new Digital Dreams logo on the Vans, put the QR code on the Vans. We're moving. I mentioned it on the other ones. We did move. We are going to move on June 1st. We get the keys. We're like close to tripling our square footage of our office. So we're going from about 1,600 square foot to 4,400 square foot. We're gonna have another video on that for you guys. We're gonna have a video of us reinstalling everything at the new location. So we gotta rip everything out of here, reinstall all the new access control, all the alarm, all the surveillance cameras at the new location, setting up. We're gonna have that coming. We got another Facebook location that we just walked yesterday. We have so many projects right now that are just piling up that we're gonna have a lot more content for you guys coming up. We're running out of time to shoot content right now as we're trying to move, but we're gonna have a whole bunch of new videos. I got another couple of videos stored that we're backed up on that we're gonna bring to you, some smaller locations. We're gonna have a couple of those bigger LED walls coming up, but I know that one of our main things right now is get into this new suite, get everybody their new uniforms. Right now they're at my house. I didn't even bring them to the shop yet because I didn't want to haul these 15 boxes from the house to the shop to the new shop where I can disperse them. So the guys are going to have all new uniforms after June 1st here. But thanks everybody for watching. Hope you guys have a good Memorial Day weekend, or hopefully you had a good Memorial Day weekend. See you guys on the next one. Later.